Did aliens really build the pyramids? Today, we are looking at the actual mind-blowing human engineering that the History Channel didn't want you to see. For decades, sensationalist TV shows have claimed that ancient humans were too primitive to lift, cut, and align multi-ton stone blocks with celestial precision. But when you look at the actual archaeological evidence, the real story is far more impressive than any science fiction fantasy. We are going to break down the exact tools, mathematical genius, and logistics that made the Great Pyramid of Giza possible. Let's start with the first major claim, that copper chisels couldn't possibly cut hard limestone and granite. While it's true that copper is soft, the ancient Egyptians didn't just use pure copper. They used arsenical copper alloys, which were significantly harder. For extremely hard stones like granite, they utilized dolerite pounding stones, which naturally fractured the rock. They also leveraged wooden wedges soaked in water, which expanded to split massive stone blocks cleanly along natural fissures. The real miracle of Giza isn't extraterrestrial. It's the peak of human ingenuity and dedication, standing tall against the sands of time. Beyond splitting stone, how did they achieve such flat, polished surfaces? The answer lies in simple but incredibly clever abrasive technology. Workers used flat copper saws and drills combined with wet quartz sand, which acted as a powerful abrasive slurry. The sand did the actual cutting, while the copper blade simply guided it, acting like a modern diamond-tipped saw. This process was slow and labor-intensive, but it easily sliced through the toughest stones over time. Moving millions of multi-ton blocks across the desert seems impossible without anti-gravity technology, right? Actually, wall paintings from the tomb of Djo-Tuti depict exactly how they did it, using massive wooden sledges. To prevent the sledges from sinking into the dry sand, a worker stood at the front, pouring water directly onto the path. Modern physicists have tested this and found that wet sand reduces friction by a staggering 50%, allowing a relatively small team of men to pull immense weights. But what about the massive granite blocks transported all the way from Aswan, hundreds of miles away? The Egyptians didn't drag these across dry land. They used the ultimate ancient superhighway, the Nile River. During the annual flooding season, the rising waters allowed heavy transport barges to float directly to the Giza Plateau through custom-built canals. Archaeologists have recently uncovered the remains of these ancient harbors, proving that water logistics did the heavy lifting. Once the blocks arrived at Giza, how did they stack them hundreds of feet into the air? The answer is a sophisticated system of earthen ramps, which evolved as the pyramid grew taller. Archaeologists have discovered remnants of straight, zigzag, and spiral ramp systems at various ancient construction sites. By using lubricated wooden tracks and simple lever systems, teams of workers could steadily haul the stones up these gentle inclines. One of the most common alien arguments is the near-perfect alignment of the pyramids to true north. However, this didn't require extraterrestrial GPS. It required basic, patient astronomy. The Egyptians likely used the simultaneous transit method, observing two circumpolar stars rotating around the celestial pole. By hanging a plumb line and aligning it with these stars when they were perfectly vertical, they could establish an incredibly accurate north-south axis. Who actually built these monument slaves? Or perhaps extraterrestrial visitors? The discovery of the builder's town at Giza completely shattered these myths, revealing a highly organized, well-fed workforce of paid laborers. Skeletal remains show that these workers received advanced medical care, including successfully set bone fractures. They lived in comfortable barracks and consumed high-protein diets of beef, sheep, and goat, which was a luxury in ancient Egypt. When we attribute these incredible structures to aliens, we rob our ancestors of their brilliant ingenuity and tireless work ethic. The Great Pyramid is not a monument to space travelers, but a testament to what human organization, mathematics, and sheer determination can achieve. If you love uncovering the real, fascinating history behind ancient mysteries, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what ancient mystery we should debunk next.